Hey guys, welcome back to Technologic. Today we'll be taking a look at the ZNT SoundBox Mini truly wireless earbuds. Let's go. Let's move on to the unboxing now. This is the case. And the earbuds themselves. Let's see what else inside the box. We've got some paperwork, some extra ear tips, and a USB-C to USB-A cable. Let's move on to the review now. Firstly, let's look at the sound quality. To test its sound quality, I used this video called Ultimate Headphone Test. My first impressions of the sound quality is that I was very impressed by the sound quality. It was very amazing. The bass is punchy, the mids are there, and the high ends are very clear. The latency of these earbuds are very low because they use Bluetooth 5.0 to connect with your mobile device. So these earbuds are great for gaming and watching videos. For a usual price of $49.90 and a low price of $36.90 for occasional flash sales, these earbuds have extremely great sound quality. I would say these are the best truly wireless earbuds you could get for this price. And guess what? The sound quality is not the only good thing about these earbuds. These earbuds have really cool features other than the sound quality, and they are very surprising to be on a earbud that's only this price. Let's look at those features now. The first thing you'll notice is that there is a display on the case of the earbuds. This display showcases the battery percentage of the case itself and the battery levels of the earbuds. This is a really cool looking feature, and you can check your battery percentages easily. Let's move on to the next feature. These earbuds have touch controls and they are pretty good. You can touch once to pause or play the audio, touch twice to go to the next track or the previous track depending on which earbud you touch 3 times to increase or decrease the volume. For calls, you can touch once to answer or hang up, or touch for 3 seconds to reject the call. You can even tap 4 times to open Google Assistant or Siri. The next feature of these earbuds truly surprised me. Other than having USB-C to charge these earbuds, you can even charge them wirelessly. This feature can only be found on very expensive earbuds. Other features include IPX5 water resistance and 6 hours of battery life. Overall, I am really satisfied with the ZNT SoundBox Mini and I really recommend it. If you want to buy these earbuds for yourself, the link is down in the description below. One slight issue I had with these earbuds is that it had a glossy finish and is a fingerprint magnet. Thank you so much for watching. That's the end of today's video. Subscribe for more tech content. I'll be posting more videos soon. Bye.